Testing kat sini ya. Alright, okay. Today I want to show you a software called as a website lah, not a software, basically called Figma.com. Alright. Okay, kepada cikgu-cikgu sekolah lah ya. For example, you are giving a software class or IT class to your students. Doesn't matter lah whether you are from primary school teacher or you are secondary school from 1 from 3 or from 5. It doesn't matter. So one of the part that we normally in school we always miss out is how to build a proper web layout. That's one of the most important part. And I do realize that most of the school teachers, they skip this part because it is not in the syllabus itself. Alright, okay. So I want to have a very short video about Figma. Figma is basically a program or a software that is used for web developers in order to, what they do is they create a web layout like this, okay. Before even starting to design, sebelum mereka nak design website, right, they will create a layout first. Why is this important? Because Figma does more than just creating a layout only. It does give you every single detail about what you're going to, how the website is going to look like, and also all the color codes, the padding, the size of the padding, so on and so forth lah, right? So before we even talk about designing a website, okay, before we even thought about writing a code, right, okay, whether it's a HTML code, CSS code, or a JavaScript code, right, I do suggest school teachers, they learn up this what they call is Figma first, okay. Figma is actually a very great tool, and to school teachers, right, if you are interested to use Figma, don't worry Figma memang free lah kat sekolah depa. Figma does provide a free version to educators, okay. So if you have a school account, that means like if you have a school account, then you can actually share this with your students as well, alright, okay. And you don't have to pay a single cent because Figma provides, they support educators like you and me, okay. So what you need to do is you just need to learn up these tools, okay, then you use it in your classroom, okay. So basically that's what I'm going to tell you. I'm going to show you one of the website that I've created by using Figma. Memang cantik. Wait okay, if you look at, let me see, if you look at this website over here, you can see that I created a very simple what I call this web design, where I draft out the layout over here. Then after that, I create a design on the right hand side over here, okay. So for my next class guys, so if you are still with me, okay, I want you guys to subscribe. Then we will try to create something like this, okay, by using Figma. So school teachers, if you want to learn a Figma, then you want to incorporate Figma in your classroom, yeah, this is something that you should learn lah, okay. So it is not in the syllabus, but yeah, I will say that is one of the most important part if you're planning to design website or a mobile app lah. Alright, that's all for today. Bye.